Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need an updated iPhone and iCloud signed in because Focus syncs across devices. Now open Settings and tap Focus. Press the plus sign to create a custom focus. Name it clearly, Do Not Disturb Custom, for example, and pick a lock screen and home screen filter so the phone shows only what matters. Once done, enable the focus to test basic behavior. This first step sets the foundation so notifications and interruptions are controlled consistently across your devices. Next, fine-tune who and what can break through. Tap People to allow calls or messages from specific groups, favorites, contacts, or no one if you want strict silence. Then go to Apps and add only the essential apps that may notify you, like navigation or payment. Use the Options section to permit time-sensitive notifications and decide if repeated calls should bypass. This helps during emergencies. Make incremental changes and test by sending a message from an allowed contact so you understand. Finish by scheduling and automating the focus so it runs when you need it. Use Add Schedule or automation to trigger by time, location, or app. Smart activation can learn your routine. Turn on Share across devices and focus status so others see you're silenced. If rules don't apply, make sure Do Not Disturb modes don't conflict, then toggle the focus off and on. If that fails, reboot the iPhone or reset the specific focus. These steps resolve most misapplied rules quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.